The machine is a double-pressure automatic rotating and continuous tableting machine, which presses granular into round tablets, inscribing letters, special-shaped, or two-color tablets. It is mainly used in tablet production of pharmaceutical, chemical, food, electronics, and other industries. Grand Migrant has launched 3 main models, 226 series, mainly producing 513-25 mm tablets, with a production capacity of 27,000-35,000 PC/SH, 420 series, mainly producing 510-42 mm tablets, with a production capacity of 36,198,000 PC/SH, 500 series, mainly producing 513-35 mm tablets, with a production capacity of 82,008,198,000 PC/SH,